Hey everyone. So I'm doing a full room review here at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort. So I haven't done a review here in a very, very long time. The last review I tried to do was over at the Disney Vacation Club, but we are back. This is a resort view, essentially a standard room here at the Grand Floridian Resort. We have 2 queen beds. And for this room review, I am essentially going to start really where you walk in. And I think one of the coolest things about this room is the amazing bathroom, but specifically we do have a full shower here. So it is very, very important to keep that in mind, especially for families who might be visiting with young kids. You do have to request or make sure that you do get a tub. And then kind of taking it out a little bit, we do have an amazing sink area here. One of the really, really cool things that my girlfriend specifically loves is the mirror, right? And this reminds me a lot of the renovated rooms over in Disneyland at the Disneyland Resort. They do have a really, really cool mirror like this, but as you can see, it really is an over-the-top bathroom. And the rooms here are renovated as well, which I do think is really, really important. Especially I'm gonna get myself in the mirror, I can't help it. I'm wearing Halloween gear, going to the Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party tonight. But the rooms are renovated, and I think at the price point, it is really, really important. And Disney did need to do this, it was well overdue. So we do have a little desk area there, but coming into the main room here, and we do have, as you can see, a sofa couch there, and we have the 2 queen beds right here. And then also coming back, we have a really, really large flat screen TV. We got some drawers here. One of the cool things about the TVs now at a lot of the renovated Disney resorts is you can connect your Disney Plus account, and you can watch movies. You can really connect your phone and just stream whatever movies you like. So I think that's something really, really cool and unique. I'll give you guys a real sense of what the room looks like with the chandelier. But overall, you could see Disney just did such a great job with these rooms. And I really, really, I love the renovated rooms here at the Grand Floridian Resort. As you guys could see here, I'm not gonna open up the balcony door just because I don't wanna kind of mess up the video, but we do have a view of the resort. But this is the room review. Everyone, as you can see, very, very simply, just a standard 2 queen room here at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort. And if you do need help planning that next Disney vacation, you would like my help or my team's help, just be sure there is a link in our bio description. You can go and fill that out. It's a questionnaire, and then me and my team will help you plan an amazing custom Disney World vacation. But I think that's all the time we have for today. I'll zoom over to what I really love the most is the bathroom. I want to say thank you for checking out this video, and until next time, I will talk to you guys soon.